Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just got a patio clean today. I've got this already. Mate. I asked for 2 sugars, I needed a boost. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to this one. It's a bit more of a maintenance clean. Also I need to show everyone my little, check this out. Got some blue AstroTurf. Got bored of seeing the just the plain look, if you know what I mean. I don't think I've showed it anyone in my van before, but it's got things hanging up and all that. All the gear's pretty out at the moment, but yeah, it's actually quite nice. The sort of look at it is quite appealing. As I've always had like rotting wood, if that makes sense. But yeah, got new tools coming today and quick fits, so looking forward to fitting them later. I might film that as well. But yeah, enjoy the clean. days. Get me out back on. Yeah, we are looking fresh. Sorry. Yeah, so we've done that now. Going to put a chemical treatment down, just a light one, nothing major. Rinse that down, sort the windows out, and then this job will be finished. But yeah, well happy with the results so far. And I'm going to enjoy my tea, and I'll see you in a bit. Still drying out, but it's all done. Just freshened up the windows. It is looking a lot lighter right here. I didn't even think it was that bad, and then until I got cleaning, it come up so well. Fresh windows cleaned. Look at that, lovely jubbly. A bit down there done as well, and a bit over there. So yeah, all freshened up. Thanks for watching the video. You can like, comment and subscribe, that'd be great. If you don't worry about it. I'll see you next one. Hello everyone, welcome to Eastbourne. It is nice and warm. We picked a great day to go out, haven't we? And we're going to get some crabs, aren't we? And what else? What else again?
Fish!
Yay! So,
what's that noise?
Please like the video.
What's that noise?
Say like the video.
That video.
Comment.
Comment.
And subscribe.
Right.
Hey. Wow, you look beautiful.
Thank you. Drink. It's sheep.
What?
And there's sheep over there.
Are there sheep over there? Wow.
There you are, Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
I thought there you are.
Oh, you came to Arthur as well. Come on then.
No, here, have it.
Oh, you're such a cutie.
It's so cute.
Should we have a look over the edge? Whoa. Sod that. Where are you? You got that on you? So yeah, this is like our first getaway. Yeah, pretty much. It's nice to actually have some sun. Been like constant showers recently, back and forth. But this feels unreal. Feels like a bit of freedom. A bit of sun just makes you feel better, doesn't it? But yeah, it's my wife's birthday weekend, so trying to spoil her and entertain the kids at the same time, and have some time off work. So just going to try and switch off, not really look at the phone. If I remember doing this, I just sort of like use it for like pick an hour of the day and just reply to as much as I can possibly can, and then leave it at that, if you know what I mean. But it's easier when you're abroad. You just switch off and leave it there, come back to see it. If people want to wait for you, they wait for you. These cliffs are insane. Just realised I'm still waffling about work when I'm not at work. Come Theo, we're nearly at the rock pools. Rock pool galore. Sea's not out enough at the moment, which is annoying, but still can hunt for a few things. Theo's like way back. I've got to be excited and run off. That what we got? 2? Theo, 2 crabs. Is that it? Is that it? Hey, Mr. Crab. Whee!
stand up.
Yep, you're standing up on the chair, which is naughty.
A lot.
It is naughty.
No.
Yes.
Big boy.
Yeah, you are a big boy, but that's naughty big boy.
Naughty big boy.
Yeah. Where's Arthur?
Alpha's over there. Hello.
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 I'll ask you some questions.
There's some dudes.
What's your favourite colour?
What's colour?
Yeah.
About something grey.
Something grey is your favourite colour. Okay. What's your favourite food?
Pizza, chips, pasta, chocolate, sweets.
A sweet.
Oh. Sweets is your favourite food?
Sweet surprise.
You just help Arthur, he fell over. Oh! Okay, back to it. What's your favourite film?
That one.
What one?
What's
What's it? The
The
Good Dinosaur is your favourite film. Ah. What's your favourite thing to do in the garden?
Another.
Aladar is your favourite thing to do in the dinosaur. You're weird.
Another.
Aladar's your favourite. You're a Bundy. Who's your favourite? Mummy or Daddy?
Mummy and Daddy.
Ah, good answer. It's a very good answer. Who's your favourite? Nanny or Grandad?
Daddy.
Oh, poor Grandad. Yeah, was Chessington any good? No?
No.
No, do you like it? How many rides did you go on? You went on the boat ride? You went on the car ride?
And we went on the
the Gruffalo.
water ride.
What's Chessington? Right.
No.
No, you don't want to go again. There you go.
Should we come back? Should we go back to Chessington another day? Or not?
No.
No, go somewhere else. Full Park.
This is even bigger.
Arthur, one word. How was Chessington? You went on 2 rides. One less than Theo. How was it? It was good. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.